Tired of your Adobe Creative Cloud setup being trapped on your old computer? This video will show you exactly how to migrate your Adobe Creative Cloud applications and settings to your new machine, so you can get back to creating without missing a beat. Let's dive in. First, go to your old computer, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application, make sure all your Adobe apps are closed, your work needs to be saved. Then, you need to sign out of your Adobe account on the old computer. Click on your profile icon. Usually in the top right corner, choose the sign out option. This is super important for license management. Now, before installing on the new computer, you might need to deactivate your license on the old one. Navigate to the Adobe website on your computer and sign into your Adobe account. Look for the Manage Account or Plans section, depending on your plan within that area. Be sure to deactivate Adobe software if deactivation is an option for your license type. On your new computer, go to the Adobe website and download and install the Creative Cloud desktop application. Once installed, sign in with the same Adobe ID you used on your old computer. After you've signed in, head to the Apps tab. You should see a list of all the Adobe apps you subscribe to. Click the Install button next to the application you want to use on your new device. Repeat this step for all the apps you need. As each application installs, your settings might not automatically transfer. You may have to manually adjust settings across apps, such as preferences and custom brushes. Don't worry though if you are missing settings, as you can manually transfer certain files. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Adobe Creative Cloud applications to your new computer, ready to start creating. Be sure to back up your work and have fun.